Hey guys, this is Simon here with Squickmons. Today we're going to go over making a free cut. So if you have a nest or you have something where you have areas of the sheet that you want to preserve or slice it so that you can remove the remnant off the table and savor or salvage the rest, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So I have a nest here in front of me. You'll notice there's some contours where it kind of pops up and over. I'll check this off so that we validate that nest, make sure we're keeping it. Well, I'm just going to pop a few more of these in there. This will be more of a scenario where you might do this. Now let's do this. So say this is our nest here, and we want to create a rip line that would run up and around all of these profiles. Now we can go up here to the Create a Free Cut. Click, and depending on how crazy you want to get with this, sometimes you may not actually use all these remnants, so just keep that in mind. You don't want to spend too much time on it, but it is nice if you have something where you're really you want to preserve some of this extra remnant material. Having some of that, depending on where you're at in business, is certainly helpful. So right there we have a cut. So you'll notice now we have a rapid travel going up to that cut and then executing it all the way to the end. So that's how we do that. We just send it over to CNC and cut it. So this is going to be an Art Professional version 9. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out. Go to support@squickmons.com. You can send an email there. If you have any video requests, feel free to jump on our website, go to the Contact Us area, and go ahead and drop those requests in there. So looking forward to seeing what you're doing with your new CNC plasma systems. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out.